Let's find the absolute value of the following quantity and simplify. The absolute value of negative 3/7 plus the absolute value of negative 2/5 plus the absolute value of 3. So let's find the absolute value of these three numbers and then add their results accordingly. So the absolute value means that we'll take and write the number down without the symbol or the absolute value. So the absolute value of negative 3/7 becomes 3/7 plus the absolute value of negative 2/5 becomes 2/5 plus the absolute value of 3 is 3. Next, let's add 3/7 plus 2/5 plus 3. In order to add these three numbers together, we need common denominators. So if we write 3 as 3 over 1, which we'll write in red here, then the common denominator is the smallest number that 7, 5, and 1 all divide into. The smallest number 7 and 5 and 1 divide into is 35. So we wish that these fractions all have a common denominator of 35. To change each one of our fractions into a fraction with common denominator, let's multiply numerator and denominator by some number so that the denominator will become 35. So in our first case, let's multiply both 7 and 3, numerator and denominator, by something to get 35. 7 times 5 will become 35. So we'll multiply numerator by 5 also. 5 times 3 becomes 15. 3/7 becomes 15/35. Next, 2/5. Multiplying numerator and denominator by 7 will result in the denominator of 35. 5 times 7 is 35. 2 times 7 is 14. And finally, we need to multiply 3 over 1 by something to get 35. So let's multiply numerator and denominator both by 35 to get the denominator of 35. 1 times 35 is 35. 3 times 35 becomes 105. So now that we have denominators the same, let's add the numerators. So this will become our total over 35. The numerators will add up as 15 plus 14 plus 105. 15 plus 14 is 29, and 29 plus 105 becomes 134 over 35. And this is our final answer.